Hi, my name is Dr. Ross Palmer, and I'm the Director of Continuing Medical Education here at Colorado State University's Translational Medicine Institute. Today, I'd like to share with you one of our upcoming and most popular veterinary orthopedic continuing education courses. The Stifle Extracapsular Cranial Cruciate Ligament Repair, Meniscus, and MPL Surgery course is taught by a great group of experienced surgeons who are also highly engaged educators. For years, I worked as a specialist surgeon in mobile practice, so I know some of the challenges that you face. You've got no shortage of patients that are affected by cranial cruciate ligament disease and patellar luxation, and while some of your clients will seek referral to a board-certified surgeon, for others it just isn't an option. In those instances, when is it appropriate for you to perform the surgery, and how is that surgery best done? In this course, you're going to learn valuable diagnostic tips, including important tips on case selection, because life is too short for orthopedic complications. You'll learn to perform a knotless braided suture and bone anchor X-cap technique called orthostay by VOI. You'll participate in valuable radiographic review sessions of your surgical procedures, and you'll take that feedback back to the lab where you'll repeat the procedure with just a few added twists. You'll learn the mechanism of medial meniscal injury and, more importantly, how to diagnose and how to treat it. You'll learn to diagnose medial patellar luxation, and you'll also learn when is surgery for MPL indicated. Along the way, you'll learn valuable tips regarding case selection, as well as the finer nuances of the surgical technique that you just can't learn from a textbook or a webinar. After this course, you'll return to your practice feeling more prepared to diagnose and treat carefully selected cases of cranial cruciate ligament disease and medial patellar luxation. This course is just one of a vast array of small animal orthopedic courses being taught here at Colorado State University in 2021, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. Check us out at csuvetce.com and experience the magic of CE Elevated.